Hi, my name is Diane. This is Michael. That's Jesse. We're doing a snack crate today. This is going to be our first official video. So go ahead, open your crate. And this one is from Space.
Yes.
Right?
We got moon cheese.
Yeah, moon cheese. Moon cheese.
Next, we have a Neapolitan ice cream sandwich, freeze dried. We got Magic Stars, chocolate.
Peanuts.
We got a Star Bar
Yeah, Star Bar.
with a lot of peanuts apparently.
Yeah.
Space Raiders pickled onion chips.
Ew. That doesn't sound so good.
Star Mix gummy bears? Gummy shapes.
Kind of looks like they're
Eggs.
eggs. Yeah.
Same one.
Let's
That's
see the flavor.
Space Raiders beef.
Oh, that's usually my favorite.
Next we have moon. There's a moon on it.
A
A
moon,
moon
pie.
pie.
But there's a more.
Vanilla.
Look at, there's an earth inside.
But look at this earth.
It's an earth lollipop.
Yeah. This is like disgusting, but has more stuff inside.
It's a crispy roll Milky Way. Seems weird.
Yeah. We got the same one, but we got the same one every day. But we don't want the same one.
Mars chocolate brownie.
Ooh, that
Ooh.
sounds good.
Oh my god, I'm gonna like this one. I'm gonna like it.
And we got a Galaxy cookie crumble.
Yeah.
Is that it?
I'll
Show
put
them the
this
empty
aside.
box.
Yes.
That's it.
Put it over here.
So, Michael, you get to pick the first one we try.
I'm gonna try this one.
You want to try the cookie crumble?
Yes. I like the cookie crumble. Cookie crumble. We have to get squares. This is gonna be a big piece.
Oh
As it
boy.
falls apart.
It's probably because it's warm.
Go.
What do you think so far?
So good, right?
Pretty sweet.
It's like milk chocolate with Oreo pieces in it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's yummy.
Pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay, Molly's turn.
I want to do that. Mars chocolate one. The brownie one.
Oh, we're all trying it. Can we all try it together?
Of course.
It's a little
Ooh.
melted.
Oh. I got a
This
bit.
looks so yummy. I'm so excited. Has like a nougat in it.
Chocolate
These are
nougat.
like so good. Like we get them every day.
Mm.
And I really, this place, the hundreds are like,
What do you think of it?
no.
This is really good. I should have took the bigger piece.
Too much chocolate for me.
It was like a caramely chocolate on top of a brownie covered in milk chocolate, right?
This
Yeah.
time,
No crunch, just
no,
all smooth.
this is here.
Gonna go with the crispy rolls.
Oh. My water. Please. Open it.
finish that, or you want to set that to the side to try this?
Oh.
Oh, that was good.
Okay. For you. Mommy.
It's like white chocolate inside.
Pretty good.
What are those circle cookies? And they come in like a tin.
I can
A tin. It's a circle tin.
There.
And it's tall.
Is it my turn?
Carrots.
Is it my turn to see?
Yeah,
Reminds me
that's
of that, but like filled with white chocolate
Yeah.
and dipped in dark
Is it
chocolate.
my turn to see?
Yep. The
Wanna
Magic
try the
Stars.
Magic Star.
Finish what's in your mouth, buddy.
George going this side.
They look like they're just chocolate.
That's it.
They're stars, though.
They're really small.
You
Yeah.
get a double.
Oh, mine's stuck together, and they have a smiley face on them.
Ew.
They do.
Oh, this one has a face like this. Ooh, and this
This
one's a
is a
smiley
smiley
face.
face.
What's yours?
It's just kind of
He has his sunglasses on them.
because it's upside down. I don't know.
He has sunglasses on.
Got sunglasses. That's cool.
Mm.
Use these for my chocolate chip. Big and small.
Oh, your chocolate chip waffles?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're making chocolate chip rainbow waffles tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Hey, we're making rainbow waffles tomorrow.
Okay, so it's Mommy's turn. Right?
I'm gonna try the egg gummies. Let's get off the chocolate kick.
Oh, that's my favorite. When did I first have
On the back it says "Find Me," so I don't know if maybe if there's just one in there, or if they're all shaped like that.
No, there's well, it looks like it's supposed to be bears, egg, and maybe a soda bottle.
Ew.
That's an
I wanna
interesting
have a
combo.
bear. Can I have a bear to see?
Let's see what we get, okay?
I'm gonna have a red bear.
A bunch of different things in here.
What?
There's a heart.
Heart?
What's
Oh,
that?
you
You
want
want the
the
heart?
No, I want the egg.
You want the egg?
I'm
If
gonna
we
have the
have
heart.
Oh, look at the egg. It's so cute.
Or do you want the bear, buddy?
It's like dripping. It looks like the yolk is
What is
dripping.
this?
You want the heart?
Yeah.
I'll try the bear. Actually, you know what?
Mommy,
I'll
look
try the ring.
it.
Oh, it's an actual ring. So not like a lifesaver ring, like a ring that you'd give it to a woman to ask her to marry you.
Yeah. One of those rings.
It's pretty good.
We have a
I'll try
cat. The
Want to try another
cat.
one? What do you want to try?
You want to try the bear, the ring, or the egg?
The bear.
Bear?
I'll take a bear
Egg,
too.
egg,
Oh.
egg, don't egg.
They're good.
Oh, I think
Look
you're
at
supposed
how
to find
we
a
can
double egg.
What? A double egg?
And then what? Do we win? Or does every bag have a double egg?
Mommy, look at it stretches.
Mm.
You go find a double yolk or egg
Ew.
in one of Starbucks bags. Find one to win a UK family adventure holiday.
Ooh. Are we the
Ooh.
lucky winners?
No.
Oh, we only had 2 eggs in there?
No, we have more. We're just single.
Let me see. Let me be the judge of that. The real judge.
Yeah.
That's two
Ooh.
eggs.
The soda bottle actually tastes like Coca-Cola.
You could try a soda.
Okay.
The gummy bears taste like the U.S. ones because
Yeah.
this is the U.S. brand.
Oh. Shall we ate so much?
Oh, it says it right on the front. So. They're good.
I ate 3 eggs.
I like them. And the eggs was like, it was like a gummy, but the white was a different
Is it
flavor.
my turn to say or your turn?
It's Jesse's
My
turn.
turn.
Ugh.
And
Do it. Do it.
I'm gonna go with the munchies.
Mm.
Mm. I'm gonna my
We all
booty.
wanted it. No one said it yet.
I'm gonna shake my booty.
Want to smell them?
Smell it.
Ew.
You know, smell it.
I'll smell it.
You want a big piece or a little
It
piece?
smells like cheese.
You want a big piece?
It's supposed to be only 100% cheese.
This is so crunchy. This is so crunchy.
It tastes like if you're making
Monkey.
grilled
Cheese.
cheese on the stove and the cheese seeps out.
No, it's not good.
I want to eat another one.
No, you don't. Oh.
Monkey.
They're
Grilled
high
cheese
in
is not good.
protein, all natural, gluten-free, excellent source of protein.
Okay, I'm done
Look
with
at the
that.
ingredients.
Was it good, buddy? No. You okay? Go.
Excuse Michael while he spits the cheese into the garbage. I guess I'm the lucky winner of these for a work snack.
Yeah. Come take a drink, buddy. Oh, wait.
Knock it.
You really didn't like them?
No.
They're good. I think I would survive on the moon.
Is it my turn?
I thought they were going to be like cheese puffs.
Yeah,
Honestly.
so did
Oh.
Careful.
I. There's
You're
our
okay.
water.
I don't know.
Is it my turn?
Yep. This is what we have left. That's it.
And we're not going to do the lollipop because that's just yours. So we'll put that to the side. Okay.
That's just for you, buddy. Ah. First one with this.
I want to knock this one first.
The ice cream sandwich.
I think it's going to be super yummy.
It's even wrapped up like an ice cream sandwich.
Fascinating.
Is it what?
You melt ice cream sandwiches like in the freezer. It's wrapped up just like it, right? It's really
I
cool.
want to get the brown part.
Same with the chocolate.
Yeah. I want to get the chocolate.
Okay, relax.
Come on.
Michael, relax. It's not a real ice cream. It's all hard.
That's so hard.
What do you want?
Strawberry.
I'm going to get chocolate.
We're going to try.
Ugh. There you go. I'm not gonna try to break that.
I'll eat part.
This is like crunchy like the other one.
It's good.
Tastes just like it.
Mm-hmm. But it's not cold.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
Definitely interesting.
It is.
Dissolves really fast.
Mm-hmm. Want to try the strawberry?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to try the strawberry?
Oh, thank you.
So let me stand. And on time,
Yep.
there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
4 left. That's right.
I want to pick the moon cheese, not the moon cheese.
Did you like the ice cream sandwich? Did it taste like an ice cream sandwich?
This is crunchy.
Was it good?
Hmm.
Let's get this one out of the way.
Star bar.
I think it's peanuts and caramel.
I like pizza.
Probably like a Baby Ruth.
Or payday.
Mom, that tuna is not good. I hate it. 1. What's that, Brain?
That was the ice machine.
Oh. I got that.
It's very gooey. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Ugh.
Ah!
at the table. It's so yucky.
We'll clean it after.
Ugh.
Eat over the table, buddy.
Know that.
Hmm.
Very hot.
Not bad.
It's very peanutty.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like peanuts.
Okay. My turn. I'm gonna go with the pickled onions.
Ugh.
It's my turn, and then my turn to these. And then mommy's turn to do these.
Thanks for ruining the surprise.
Yeah, right?
Here.
Oh,
What is it? Pickled onions?
yeah.
Mm.
There's an A in here? There's a spaceship, maybe? I don't know.
Are they
What is
all
that
shaped
supposed
like
to be?
that?
Oh, there's different shapes.
I think that's a triangle.
That one shape? Yeah,
An
alien face.
head!
Do you want the alien face?
Yeah, I like them.
What else is in there?
Oh, they smell like salt and vinegar.
They're all, okay, they're all
Here.
alien faces.
No, I like them.
You have to at least try. A little bite.
Look.
Alright, you're missing
Wanna
out.
try it?
No,
Look.
it stinks. It stinks. It stinks.
Tastes like pickles.
No, that's right.
It
Yeah.
really does taste like pickles.
Tastes like pickles and sour cream.
Yeah.
I'm getting like sour cream and onion.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow,
now
that
you got
one's
it.
really like,
You got that one. That
that one was really bitter.
Yeah.
Like,
Do you want us to get the alien here?
try this
Yeah.
one.
Oh, that's what I got.
Is this the one you had? The other one didn't taste like that. It's like
John?
really bitter and vinegary.
Okay, it's gonna stay here then.
My turn.
Go ahead, your turn. Do moon pie.
Yeah.
Vanilla.
Next time we're gonna cut you off to this seed. This seed's gonna get that. You're gonna get that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I think it has like marshmallow inside.
Yeah.
We have moon pies here.
Yeah, we got chocolate ones, one mainly.
You ever seen a vanilla one? Thank you.
Did it get small?
I've never had a moon pie. It's actually pretty good. Is it like covered in cookie? The marshmallow's covered in cookie and then
Yeah.
chocolate?
Kinda, yeah.
It kind of tastes like pancake batter.
Yeah. Like non-cooked pancake. batter.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, we got one thing left.
Mom's
Dun dun dun.
Have that?
After we're done. So you gotta try that. It's the beef one. It's not. Look,
It's just a chip, bud.
it's a different one.
Mmm.
Interesting flavor.
I got an alien!
It tastes like syrup.
Kinda, yeah.